Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change season in a photo with Nano Banana. The first thing I want you to do is just open up Google Gemini and then click here on Tools, toggle this one on, Create Images. And now I'll first go ahead and drag and drop our image. So let's say this one, okay? I'll drag and drop this. This is a street view, okay? And then we'll go ahead and use a prompt like this. First, of course, upload the original photo. Then we use the prompt. Just describe what you want done. Of course, this will be in the description. You can go ahead and use it. And then let's go ahead and submit this. So let me open the image as well so you can see what is actually going on. This is the image, the original one. We'll see what it comes up with. So we've asked it to take this image and transform the environment into a serene winter, okay? And this will be like a winter wonderland. We'll add freshly fallen snow on the ground and the trees as well. The branches will be a bit bare. Okay, I've asked it to keep everything as it is. You know, the people, the main buildings. So you can see it did a pretty good job. We'll download this and let's go ahead and open it up right here. And that is how you basically change seasons. As you can see right here, it has done a pretty good job keeping everything else intact. Okay, and that is how to change a season in a photo with Nano Banana.